So once again, I want to welcome you along with this new year. This is the 1st Jan 2021, and I want to wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. And in this new year, I had asked some question like, what is your biggest goal which you really want to achieve in this new year? That's number one. Number two, as you see the topic over here, in this topic, I am going to reveal that why I am daily posting about brain functions, how it is related with the group titles. The group title Self-Abundance Healing Tribe. Okay, if you are listening to me in Facebook group live, this is the title of this group. If you are listening to me over LinkedIn, this is the title of my group, of my hub. Okay, so this is Self-Abundance Healing Tribe and how it has to do with something which is called as brain function. Why one need to know about this? One of my friend called me yesterday and told me that Gaurav, no one in India would be interested to know about this. Do something else to help people to know about it. I said, okay, if that's the case, I am going to reveal that why I am sharing this. So are you ready to know why I am presenting this every day with you? So guys, the thing is what? I have got one model, okay? Are you interested to look at the model? Even if you're not interested, I'm going to tell you and show you, it will make you interested that how powerful this model is. So what I'm going to do is now, I'm going to share my screen and will tell you why I'm sharing this information with you all. So the first thing is this, okay? You can see this model, this triangular model, this is known as SFM. What is this SFM? SFM is nothing but a system for manifestation, and the name of this model is Sustaining Freedom Model. And I think everyone out there is looking for freedom, right? Freedom in every area. And in this model, the foundation, the base is nothing but the mindset. And people who get associated with me on the deeper level, they work with me on mindset, because to overcome any challenges, a very robust and strong mindset is necessary, isn't it? So that's why the mindset is there. And before I work with anyone, I want people to know at least 80% of the topic related to brain function. So the moment you will get to know about how does this brain function, you will be ready to take a leap inside the advanced mindset knowledge. And this is the foundation which is required everywhere. Even if you are working, even if you are doing some activity, even if you are targeting to achieve some goal, even if you want to scale up your abundance mindset or financial goal, or you are working for your family, or you are working on your health, every time mindset is required. The moment the level of mindset will get dropped, do you know what is going to happen? You are going to experience there is a pause, and pause is the problem, right? The pause may not bring the prosperity. And that's why it is very, very important to feel the pain of this pause and get rid of that. And that's why this model itself talk about with the foundational level mindset everywhere is taken care of. Okay, inside this model itself, the name of this model is SFM model. I will be telling also about what does these ladders means. The small cubes you are looking at, there is a meaning behind it, but I will simplify it. And the second is its left edge. The left edge is health set. What is health set mean? Means if mindset is well taken care of and your health set is well taken care of, what is going to happen? You will be also given one support of money set. Say for example, when you will automate these all things, what you are going to achieve? I am going to give to my connection, people who will closely work with me, they are going to get this model, which is called as sustainable freedom model, which works for businessmen, working professional, students, doctors, teachers, Reiki grandmasters, pranic healers, or different kinds of healers. And these people are my student. Okay, already these are my students. How this money set evolves, because once mindset, health set at a few percentage taken care of, what in this model, what they get a complete automotive system. Using that, they can put money on their automation so that they can pursue their hobby, and money will simply follow them. And let me explain you the cubes in this. So here you see the SFM process flow. What does this flow means? There is a 3 days of normal conversation, normal communication or training, where people will understand the plan for themselves. If you are listening to me, you will understand your plan of this model, SFM model. And in this 10 days, you are going to master it. From 3 days to 10 days, you are going to master this. This is called as plan executor step. And in the third step, this is a 30 days model, where you are going to create your own path maker system, which will help you to run this model exactly for you. Okay. So after 30 days, in 90 days, it is going to tell you about you being a result creator. How it is going to be a result creator? Because you are going to see your own result by using this model, this SFM model. Okay. So in 90 days, what exactly going to happen? You will be so much ready that you could flaunt your result through your own model, because you will learn, if such model exists, why I can't acquire such model. You will customize this model for yourself, and within 180 days, you become a thriver, and you too can help others to use your own model. Okay. So this is the name of the model. I generally talk about that, but I cannot directly talk about this. And that's why before anyone could sense about this model, I thought, let me create some dendrite connection. If you have heard my potential power sources series day 1, there I have talked about dendrite connections, which is the part of your brain neural connection. So there I have talked about why this is very, very important. Before you get into this, I wanted my connection to get aware of what is the prerequisite before achieving this model. And this is not for everyone and anyone. And that's why I have brought this potential power sources series. One person had asked me, and that's why I had to come live and explain everything. If you have heard this, I want you to just comment below this video. What do you think about it? How this SFM model sound to you? Did you able to understand how this SFM model stands to achieve you various results, So since I'm sharing you this, let me share some results as well. Okay, how people are getting results. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to where. Generally, if you are part of this Facebook Live, then Facebook group, then you can go inside any conversation and you can see that how within a day or two people get the results. So apart from this, what I was going to do, I'm going to Trustpilot. Okay, in Trustpilot, I'm going to show you a couple of reviews, what I have got. Okay, so okay, let me share my screen once again. So recently I have got the reviews, and almost see, Trustpilot work in total different manner. So if you get a review after, say for example, 1 month or something, what is going to happen? You may see that your rating goes a bit lower. So every day, if you are getting every day five star, then you will remain on 5 star. And in case you have got 5 star right now, and after a month you are getting another 5 star, that will get dropped. So time is very, very important, because time is very, very important for everyone. So you can see one of student, he says that the best mentor or something. So you can keep on checking, everywhere almost 5 star is there. So this is what I just wanted to share with you. So this I did live with you, and I talked about what else. I talked about this model. This model I'm going to share once again with you. And why I'm sharing these all models with you? Because I know that humanity needs it. Humanity needs it. They want to automate their positivity under mindset. They want to feel all the time healed under heal set, and they want money to follow them under mindset. And that's why I call it sustainable freedom model. All right, so this is what I just wanted to share with you. I don't know how many of you are watching me live. Only the thing is what I just want to share with you, these all concept why I am talking these days on potential power sources series. Days are going to come where you will be learning something new, and better you get ready for this, because I have brought how you can enhance your own learning. So everything is well set up, well planned, only for people who are really listening to it. Let not you be the person where people call, in India, no one would love it. I know that people are going to love it. Yeah, another feedback which I have received, and on that inside Facebook or LinkedIn, what I have done, I have run a poll where I have asked people to vote for me, that what is your preferable language, in which language you want to listen more information, Hindi or English. I'm comfortable in both. So why I'm doing English occasionally, because most of that, because I have students from UK, Germany and Switzerland, and that's why I come up every day and I speak in English, so that it will be understandable for everyone. And in case you think that most of you want to really prefer to listen in English, I am totally open for them, but it is all in your hand when you will vote that poll. Okay, so this is Kumar Gaurav. I'm going to sign off, but I want to see each one of you who are listening to me come up with that skill which is really not is impossible for you to learn, and get such model which will help you to manifest each and everything in your life. Let it not be the duplicate of 2020. Let it be the total new version. I want to see your new version. I am unleashing my new version. Thank you so much. This is Kumar Gaurav, Self-Abundance Healer, signing off, and would love to see your comment. And let me see how many of you are live. In case someone is live, I'm going to talk to you. Let me see if in case anyone in the group is live. Okay. So I'm going inside the group and will be looking at someone who is live with me, can talk to me. I see that one person is just watching. Happy New Year, Poonam. Happy New Year, Yogesh. And Happy New Year, Poonam, once again. Who else is watching me? Is it me only watching? So I think this is a new day, start of the year, and very few people will find time to watch. But yeah, definitely you should watch the information which I have shared. It is going to, help you to thrive in a new manner. Thank you so much. And once again, this is today's bye-bye from me to you. Take care. And if you are in India, then I want to say good night, and make this 2021 from today your own right. Make it visible more bright. Thank you.